हेलो ऑल रिटेल ट्रेडर्स। नमस्कार सभी रिटेल ट्रेडर्स को। प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट एंड हिट द बेल आइकन टू गेट द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स। थैंक्स। नमस्कार दोस्तों, रिटेल ट्रेडर्स चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। लेट्स डिस्कस समथिंग अबाउट प्राइस एक्शन एंड द वे वी कैन ट्रेड with less amount in great volumes, because from September 1 we know that the margin will be almost means totally abolished from the system as per SEBI governance. So we have to suppose we have to trade in big volumes. Definitely the volume will be going to decrease in from September 1st, we know. Even now the volume has been decreased. It market is moving as per uh, the price action is working, but not that much where which what it has been working earlier. But yeah, price action is still as a concept we have to focus on. But when we have to trade in future, we need we need very much money to trade with. Currently it is asking, if you buy a contract, future contract for one lot, it is asking for 1,20,000. But suppose you have to you want to trade 4 lots, 5 lots, it will be asking for lakhs of rupees, up to 6 lakhs for 5 lots of trade, and up to 5 lakhs for 4 lots of trade. Why I'm talking about future? Because जब आप ऑप्शन में ट्रेड करते हैं, you can trade big volumes, and when you buy, but you have to buy options, because आप जब ऑप्शन बाई करते हैं आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितना पैसा लगेगा? से फॉर 4 लॉट में अगर मैं करंट कोई ट्रेड लूँ फॉर ATM और ITM kind of strike price, then we need for 4 lots how much money? It requires only 29. Even you can raise it to many level, 300, 500 quantity you can trade, right? But the thing as you will be asking, that is the one lot of future contract, that is quantity is 25, and 25 into 20, that is 20 lots of option you can buy in the same amount. So which one you are going to prefer, the option or the future? It's a choice first. Second, as we know that these days the contracts are means leverage towards the future is going to be rationalized. You have to pay the total amount of the margin, which is which is designed or will be designed by SEBI as per their governance. So, but yeah, in options, suppose you have about to 500 quantity, but if the market is not trendy, sideways, or not taking flight, then the chances you make loss is quite it's quite possible. Means, suppose you bought this 500 quantity. Suppose it moves by 10 points. You have 5,000. Either side, you may gain, you may lose. So if your risk appetite or money management allows you to trade like that with this much of quantity, then you can. But yeah, so it is preferable for retail traders to trade within you know less quantity. Say for example 50 or 100, it's okay. Yeah, you are investing 23,000 multiplied by, sorry, total margin required is 23,725. So suppose the price goes up in your favor, then you are a win-win situation. But if it goes sideways, it 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 start decreasing. But when we come to future, future actually gives you the exact point-to-point calculations. If it is rising by 10 points, you having 10 points. If it is losing by 10 points, you are losing 10 points, right? So I'm going to give you a trick you can say, that how you can uh, trade in 4 lots of future, because movement, we are expecting the price movement will not be that much, like 1%, 2%, 3% every day. You can see, we have been seeing कि आपका फ्यूचर में या इंडेक्स में, इनफैक्ट अगर इंडेक्स की बात करें तो इंडेक्स में आपका 1 से 3% के बीच में पर डे मूवमेंट मिल जाता है. बट डज इट अप्लाई टू ऑप्शंस? Yeah, it might have been earlier, but from September 1st, the scenario will be different. So what we are expecting that the movement will not be that much, lucrative as it has been. So what options we have? We can sell options. Yeah, if it is not growing, it will be killing itself. And जितना ज़्यादा वो गिरेगा, as much points it diminish itself, that much points you gain. But when you try to sell an option, it asking you huge amount. Say for example, sell one quantity, it is asking exactly the same amount almost, which is for one contract of future. And suppose it is increased by this much, say for example 150 or 100, then you are required to pay 4,47,661.98. Means almost 4.5 lakhs you require to have in your. But yeah, you can hedge. You can hedge. You can buy OTMs, and you can sell ITMs. But it's a bit risky, not only from margin point of view, but also the movement of the premiums. So I just found one opportunity to share with you that we can trade greater volumes of future as well with minimal requirement of future. It means margins. So how I have created a basket order for future. In this you have to select the future contract, current month, next month, whichever you want to trade in, and you have to select an one OTM option in the positive direction. Suppose you are going to buy, then you have to purchase the put orders. Let me show one of an example. This is already I have fed in the environment, like it is Sunday and we cannot trade. So what happens actually? So you suppose you bought a FAR OTM, which is allowed by the strike price range is defined as per the brokers, decisions or rules. Some rules they used to follow. Some brokers used to allow you to trade in any strike. Some brokers used to allow some span margin calculation they have. So Zerodha has some restrictive environment. So suppose market is currently 35,000, right? So 34,200 is a FAR OTM, we can say. The stock, the current price is 67. We bought, suppose we bought 4 lot, that is 100. But we are not sure whether it is going to increase or decrease or diminish itself over a period of time. In the same day, this is for intraday. There is a MIS order I'm talking about. So suppose you want to trade in August future, because you are assuming that it will increase or it will decrease either. You can buy or sell whatever it is. So you need to know that what margin actually it says. It is asking about 4.5 lakhs, but you can see the final margin is 1,41,000. That is almost one lot of future you can trade. You are trading 4 lot of future along with an option. Suppose you execute this order, right? How can you square off your positions? You have to square off either both the contracts, option and future, at one go, or you can book first. First, you need to book your future, because you need to have this much money, even more than this much money in your yeah, means fund should be available like that, more than 1,41,000. You can park up to 2 lakhs around kind of amount, but you can avail and leverage of 4 contracts of future. And what is the beauty of this? The as much point it moves either side, you have equal equal way of profit or loss. Not like options. Options, if it is in move in your direction, it's okay. If it does not move in your direction and it is not moving either direction even, it will be diminishing itself, and you will eventually be booking a loss. Even sometimes I have seen that the price do not reach back to the cost at the cost level if it is not working. in your say in your what do you want means suppose so that's why I am trying to help you out means help ourselves that if we can trade future with more lots like in such a way we need to create a basket order in which one we can place for OTM order and another is the contract. But let me check one more thing. If I have to sell it and modify it, what requirement is quite huge. So you need to know, you need to change it to a call option, I think. So I need to delete it. And the call option maybe 35,900, right? So 35,900 call if I add and ignore this message because and current price is 67, you can enter here, say for example 65 and add it. Let's see what happens. It decreased a little bit. Okay, I didn't increase the quantity 100 now. So you can see the margin is more or less 10,000 above or less, you know. Even in you, if you are selling, you do not need to sell options. You just buy options and sell future. And if you are buying future, you can buy option of the other direction. And this way, you can trade more in you know future and capitalize in your skills like you know if you have an understanding that as per the price action is if the index is about to fall you can sell future. If it is going to increase the price you can buy a future. So this is the only thing I have to share with you all. uh, Happy weekend and enjoy your day and consult your financial advisor if you have any to make a decision how to trade and what to trade exactly. So this is all about today and I will be preparing some more videos informative and trade related and based on price actions exclusively. Thank you. Have a nice day.